How to use AliExpress promo or coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in AliExpress promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for AliExpress. So go ahead and open any of it. I'm gonna open this one, Coupon Follow. This is the legit website. Now you can scroll down and check out the offers. $10 off, $12 off, $20 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer you wanna grab. You're gonna get the code for it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy the code and head towards the website of AliExpress. Now you can go ahead and select the items that you wanna purchase. Add the item to the cart. Then proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of codes. Over there, you have to paste the code and then proceed to confirm your order. With that, the code will be redeemed and you'll get the discount. You can also give a try to other offers, as in this website you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for AliExpress. So this way you can easily use AliExpress promo or coupon code. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.